Hi everyone, I'm Finola, the makeup artist on set today. I'm going to be showing you how to recreate these gorgeous looks in the comfort of your own home. Remember, all of these looks have been inspired by the latest catwalk, so using any of the products from the trend edit means you are using shades and finishes that are on trend and hot right now. I'm going to show you my interpretation of each look, making it as easy as possible for you to recreate. I've started by creating a flawless base. I applied the Magic's Face Perfector and Cream Powder in Soft Honey, two of our best-selling products, available in every brochure. Starting with the lighter colour in the palette, which is number 1, use the small end of the brush in the palette and pat the colour onto the brow bone to highlight this area and make the eyes look bigger. I pat the colour in to bring the pigment out and prevent any fallout. Now I'm taking the orange colour, number 3 in the palette, using the big blending brush. Start by patting it in lightly and building the colour as you go. Blend the colour in circular motions in the crease of the eye very lightly. Bring the orange around 3/4 of the way across the eye. Once you're happy with the shape, you can add more colour to the eyeshadow to make it more vibrant. Always check both eyes look symmetrical throughout the process to ensure the eyeshadow looks the same on both eyes. I will never do one eye and then the other eye fully. I will always do each step on both eyes until they match. Now I'm going to take number 4, which is the darkest colour in the palette, and this is going to create more definition where I've put the orange. I'm just patting this in the middle of the orange, staying on the outside of the eye. Just blend out the edges of the colour to create a smoky finish. Once you're happy with that, take a clean blending brush and blend it all out. If you feel like you want more vibrancy, then feel free to build up the colour until you're happy with the intensity. Now I'm going to take number 1 again and pat that on the inner eye to brighten the eyes. I like to blend it out with my little finger to make it look more natural. Now I am taking the gold, which is number 2, and I am applying it underneath the eye on the inside, keeping it as close to the lash line as possible. And now I'm taking number 4 to move across the lash line, meeting the gold in the middle. Once the eyes are complete, add mascara. I like to rock the brush side to side to separate the lashes. Now I'll move on to the highlighter. I put the product onto my finger and pat it onto the cheekbone. Now I apply down the bridge of the nose. And finally on the Cupid's bow. This is just to heighten certain areas of the face and add a healthy glow. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to start off by using the lip liner to outline the shape of the lip, following Selena's natural shape. I use small stroke to create the outline. Once I'm happy with the shape, I will fill the rest of the lip with lipstick. Here's a top tip for you. This lipstick colour is perfect for blush too. Using the ring finger to ensure it's a light look, apply the product to the apple of the cheek, blending upwards, making sure only a small amount of product is applied. You can always add more product if you need.